Hello everyone. Today we're doing TryHackMe's Wonderland capture the flags. We'll get the IP, set that, do a Nmap scan. Um, Port 80 is open, so we'll do Feroxbuster. So we just get port 80 and port 22 open. This one just says follow the white rabbit, go lang net HTTP server. Um, this is the Feroxbuster scan or command that I'm using. This is pretty much what it does in human terms. Cool thing about Feroxbuster is you could actually edit the scan mid scan, and it gives you like examples right here of commands. So we don't need to have these first two running, so we can just do C 0, 2 to cancel those two directories that we don't want scanning anymore, to save up resources and threads and CPU power and not crash the server and all that stuff. And we could do it again to get rid of the so cancel 3. So from this and from what this says, follow the white rabbit. I'm assuming this is going to spell rabbit, so we can cancel that, and then curl that directory. So then we get inner Wonderland. Open the door in inner Wonderland. Um, Set the cat. So we get a password right here. Save that in case we need it for later. And we'll just SSH in as Alice because that's where the what the name is for it. So yes, paste the password. So we get root text that we can't read, obviously. And then there's a script, Python script that's owned by root that we can read. Let's see what we can, if we can do anything with sudo. Put in the password, and we can run Python 3 for that script as rabbit. So let's see what that is. It's just doing import random and then taking I and range 10 and printing it. So what we could do is we could actually do a Python import hijack. So we'll just do cat. We'll do a here doc. So it'll be cat EOF, and then random dot pi, enter, and then it'll be the shebang for Python. So user bin env Python 3, enter, and then it'll be import OS, and then it'll be os.system bin bash, and then just a capital EOF to end it, chmod it, and then we'll just do sudo L again so we can copy this real quick. So then we'll just do sudo uflag for rabbit, and then paste that. And now we're rabbit. So we're rabbit, change directory, rabbit, and we get a SUID bid and group UID bid for root on Tea Party. Do file Tea Party, and it's an ELF file. Not so. Let's run it. See what it does. Segmentation fault. So we know it's running echo from welcome to the Tea Party, and that's also using date because it's printing the date. So just like the other one, we're going to need to do a hijack of this one, but we're going to have to do we're gonna have to change the path because date's not in our, we don't have it in our path light. It's not being called by direct path, so we can hijack it by putting our path first and a fake date in front of it because it's gonna come from it's gonna pull from the left of your file system or the root of the first part of your path. So we'll do, not yelling that, echo bin bash, and then we'll just do date, and then and echo bin bash date, and then we'll do export path equals quote home rabbit colon path in double quotes. So then if we do Tea Party again, oh, I forgot to chmod it, of course. There we go. Now we're header. So we get a password.txt that we could read. Why is the raven like a writing desk? Copy that. We'll SSH in as header. So now if we just do Getcap or for recursive or however you say that, and then to dev null so we don't get a whole bunch of nonsense. Getcap is a command to get capabilities for commands in the with special capabilities. You could also run like linps or something to get the same thing. This is just an easier way to check it. It's like just doing the sudo l or a find for perms, and we can run Perl with cat set uid, so we can actually go to GTFOBins and go to capabilities and then Perl, and then if we just copy this, you know, just the Perl part, and then just paste that right here. Go my root. So we know where the root flag is. It's in Alice's home. So home Alice root dot text. So we get the root text. So root text is here, and then the user flag. Since the root text was in there, I'm assuming the user text would be in the opposite, which would be root user text. And sure enough, it is there, curiouser and curiouser. So that's the end of this capture of the flag. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, hit me up. Peace.